Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss vent command in sheet metal. For this I am going to draw a sketch here. Draw any rectangle and select sheet metal and select base flange. Give its thickness is 2 mm. Now our sheet is created here. After that I am again going to here create a sketch. So draw any circle and draw a center line and make offset of the circle in the reverse direction at the distance of 20 mm. Again make offset of the circle at the distance of 10 mm. In bidirectional. Now you can see a number of circles are created here. After that I am going to make circle pattern of the line. So for this select entity tool pattern and select line and make number of lines are 9 here and OK. So number of lines and circle are created here. After that select sheet metal and select vent command. So first of all here we have to select boundary. So I am selecting the outer circle which is defined as the boundary. After that we have to select ribs. So select the lines which are counted as your ribs. Select one by one each line. Okay, after that we have its width is 5 mm, so we can increase or decrease its width. So I am applying 2 mm width. Okay, now you can see here the change in the ribs having thickness 2 mm. After that we have to select spars. So select spars and select the circles here. You can also change its thickness. I am applying 3 mm. Now the thickness of the spars increases. The next option is fill boundary. So I am selecting fill boundary and select the inner radius. So it's going to fill the whole circle, remain inside the circle. So it's about vent. Now click OK. Now you can see here number of cuts and lines and bars ribs are produced here with the help of line command, which are useful in sheet metal. Here we allow some airspace in the sheet metal. For example, this type of vents are used in CPU for the airflow. Now we are going to discuss any feature about edge flenge. Here we have to select any edge and defining its radius is 2 mm. Here we have one option is to change the profile of the flange. So select edit flange. Now we can change the profile of the flange as per our need. After editing, click on finish. Here you can see that a new flange is created here without sketching any profile. You can simply edit in the flange. So this is about vent command and any feature of edge flange. You can fold or unfold the sheet metal. Select unfold. Here we have to select fixed face. So select one of the face which you want to fix and selecting this face, and after that click on select all bends and click OK. Now you can see that the sheet metal is in unfold stage. You can again unfold, you can again fold the sheet metal. So select fold and face which you want to fix, click on click bend and click OK. Now the sheet metal again regain its the previous shape. So this is about sheet metal commands. Thanks for watching the video.